We have been following the Suzanne Morphew case for a while now. And look, we've all got our little theories. We've all got our speculations and our suspicions. And mine has remained the same this entire time. Look, this is just my opinion, okay? In my opinion, I think Suzanne's husband, Barry Morphew, did something to Suzanne. I think he took her body. This is just my opinion, y'all. I think he put Suzanne's body where he was working. Remember, he was building a retaining wall, or his company, whatever, was putting in a retaining wall out of town around the same time. Okay, and he was spotted. He was confirmed to be at a hotel nearby the site. The job site. Look, I've got all kind of videos about this. I do have the Suzanne Morphew playlist linked in the description of this video, so be sure you check that out. It's a lot to get into. But y'all, the court documents have been released, and there has been so much info that has been released here lately that I had no clue about. I want to bring them here to y'all, and let's discuss.
Surrounded by his daughters after posting a $500,000 bond, Barry Morphew was released from the Chaffee County Detention Center. He's the man accused of killing his wife, Suzanne. Her body has never been found. On the same day he was released, a roughly 130-page arrest affidavit was made public. In it, investigators lay out their case against Morphew in a timeline of events. It starts in January 2020, when they say Suzanne took, quote, clear, articulable steps to separate from and divorce her husband. Suzanne apparently told her family and friends of her intentions her husband at first denied knowing about. On May 6th, Suzanne sent a text message to Barry saying, quote, I'm done. I could care less what you're up to and have been for years. We just need to figure this out civilly. For about a year before she disappeared, Suzanne was having an affair with an old high school friend. On May 9th, her last proof of life was at 2:03 p.m. when she sent a selfie to Jeff Libler, the man she was having an affair with, and a text message a few minutes after. She didn't respond to his messages around 2:44 and 2:46 p.m., and around the same time, Barry Morphew put his phone into airplane mode. Investigators say they believe Barry, quote, took steps to dispose of evidence in Suzanne's disappearance and death, create a false alibi for himself, and stage a crime scene. Suzanne was reported missing by a neighbor on May 10th. Her bicycle was found in the woods the same day. Her helmet was found in another location, but other items she normally biked with, like her camelback and cell phone, were at home. That same day, Barry Morphew was spotted on surveillance cameras in Broomfield, making at least 5 trips to garbage cans near a McDonald's and a hotel. Also included in the affidavit, the fact that Suzanne was secretly recording Barry with a spy pen and taking notes on her phone about their relationship, saying, quote, not safe with you, can't be trusted, and oppressive. They also found inconsistencies in Barry's story. The affidavit concluded with, quote, Barry could not control Suzanne's insistence on leaving him, and he resorted to something he has done his entire life, hunt and control Suzanne like he hunted and controlled animals. But whether this timeline or the evidence is enough to convict Barry Morphew of murder will be up to a jury to decide.
And we've got a date. We've got a motions hearing February 24th, pretrial conference April 8, trial date April 29. That is.
Shout out to Court TV for getting all the exclusives that we cover and we talk about on this channel. I appreciate Court TV's hard work. Y'all, this right here is a whole mess, and I honestly believe that they have enough evidence that they can convict him. But however, there still is no body. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments below. I guess we'll hear more around April the 8th, which is the pre-trial conference. Be sure you smash that subscribe button below this video so you will stay up to date with the latest developments in this case. Let's pray for justice for Suzanne.